Hi everyone, it's me Eileen and I'm here with my first hair tutorial. So what you're going to need is 2 bobby pins, a hair scrunchie, a hair binder, and you'll start with a side part. Kind of gather up the hair from that one side like so, comb through it a little bit. Okay, and then this will be for your braid. So section it off into 3 pieces and you'll start braiding like a French braid, but you're only going to want to pull hair into the section that is away from your forehead. Then you'll braid this all the way down to your ear. And when you get to that point, you'll kind of pull out the front a little bit over your forehead and then get your bobby pins to secure that into space. Okay, so you could just leave it like this if you want. I'm going to pull it up into a bun, not super high on my head. Okay, and then you'll get the hair binder and secure that into place. You want this to be pretty tight or whatever. Okay, so you could leave it like that if you want, but I'm going to grab my extensions and I'm going to clip those in. These I just get off of Amazon. Those are secured in place. You'll grab your scrunchie. I like the way this looks versus just the natural hair look. Okay, so here we go. I think it looks super cute and this is one of my go-to looks. Thanks for watching.